Electronics. All about electronics.
Hey, hi friends, welcome back to our channel Just Do Electronics. In this video I will just show you the RF transmitter and receiver based this GPS tracking system. This is my remote and I just open my antenna and I just press this A button. When I press, then GSM sending the text message and the location also to this particular mobile number. Please continue watching this video. I will explain each of the term. Okay, let's go and see this component, which component I use in this project. First I use this Zero PCB. Second I use this Arduino Nano microcontroller. Third I use this SIM900A GSM module. Fourth I use this Neo 6M GPS module. Fifth I use this RF transmitter and receiver. Okay, let's go and see this circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram I use this Fedazine software to making this circuit diagram. I do this connection one by one. I do this connection to the GPS, GSM and the RF transmitter and receiver. If you want to this final circuit diagram, then please check out my site. I already given this this circuit in my website. If you want, then please check out once again. Okay, circuit diagram is the final and let's go and see this hardware of this project. Which hardware I use in this project? I use this SIM900A GSM module, Neo 6M GPS module, Arduino Nano microcontroller, RF receiver, and that's why remote I use this RF transmitter. This one is the RF receiver and remote is the RF transmitter. This working of this 433 MHz. Okay, this is the complete hardware and put all this component in the Zero PCB. This is the back side of the Zero PCB and this one is the front side of this Zero PCB. And I use this DC 12 volt 2 ampere power supply. That's why I use this female DC socket. Okay, this is the complete hardware of this project. Let's go and see this code. In this code I editing this code first in the Arduino IDE software and I just editing this code. And if you want to change this message command and this mobile number, you change the very easily and you just select this, go to the tools, select board, processor, port and uploading this hit this uploading button. And in the few seconds is the uploading is the done. When uploading is the done, then your project is the completely working of this model. Okay, let's go and see this working of this project. This is the RF transmitter and receiver based the GPS tracking system. This is the transmitter, this remote is the transmitter and this given is the 4 button, but I use the only A button. When I press this A button, RF receiver receive this command and then GSM sending the text message with the particular mobile number with the location also. GSM sending the text message, can you help me, and this Google Map location also. This person is the easily tracking, very easily tracking. See, the message will become and is displayed at GSM alert I need help, and this bottom inside is this sending this GPS location also. When I tap to load the preview, then GPS location is the open. See, is this showing that latitude, longitude? Latitude is the 18.37 and longitude is the 73.49, and you easily track to this person. This is the working of this project. When I pressing this A button again, then receiver side receive this command and then GSM sending the text message with location. This is a very interesting project and you track to this very easily to any person. See, the message will come. I tap to this, open this location, as the same location is this given to this person. Okay, I hope you like this project, and if you like this project, please hit the like button, share with your all the friends. If you new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching.